Hey everybody, this is Joe Pace with Icewater Yoga. Today I'm going to give you a 10-minute yoga warm-up designed specifically for athletes. So this is pretty general. This isn't designed for any specific sport, so that you're going to really touch your body in a bunch of different ways, nothing really too specific. So we'll start just from standing. You can do this in shoes if you'd like. You can do this without a yoga mat. You'll notice I don't have a yoga mat. Start in standing, hands will meet at heart center. Eyes will come to a close. Take a deep breath in the nose and a deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Transitioning into your physical practice. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Adding movement to breath. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, bend your knees, forward fold. Inhale, half lift, keep knees bent. Exhale, plant your hands, step your right foot back, right knee down. Inhale, arms rise, low lunge. Exhale, plant your hands, step your left foot back, lift your right knee from the mat, plank pose. Inhale. Exhale, lower your knees, lower your chest between your hands, chin to the floor or mat. Inhale, scoop forward, cobra pose. Lift the chest from the floor. Exhale, lower, press it up and back, downward facing dog, 5 breaths. You can keep a bend in the knees. You're reaching your shoulders towards your hands. You're lifting your tailbone to the ceiling. Last breath here. Rock it forward. Hover your knees just an inch above the ground. Shoulders are above your wrists. Getting the core warm. Lower the knees. Step the right foot forward. Left knee is down. Inhale, low lunge, other side. Exhale, plant your hands. Step your left foot forward to meet your right. Keeping knees bent. Inhale for a half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms rise from the sides, press into the heels, lift up, maybe a little back bend. And then exhale, hands meet at heart center. Continuing to breathe, inhale, arms rise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift, knees stay bent, maybe a little straighter this time. Exhale, hands down, step your left foot back. Left knee down. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, plant your hands. Step your right foot back to meet your left in a plank pose. Inhale here. Exhale, lower your knees. Lower your chest between your hands. Chin is down, butt is high. Inhale, scoop forward for cobra. Feet are zipping together and pressing into the floor. Chest is high. Exhale, lower. Press it back, downward facing dog. Lifting through the tailbone, bending in the knees is a good idea. Let your chest sink towards the mat. Keep your elbows straight. Breathe deep into your hamstrings, okay? So we're focused on the hamstrings here. Last breath here. And then we'll shift the weight forward, knees towards the mat. Shoulders over your elbows, and you're breathing. The knees are not touching. Lower the knees. Step the left foot forward, right knee is down. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, plant your hands forward. Step your right foot forward to meet your left. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach wide with your arms to stand overhead with the hands. Exhale, arms by your sides, palms face forward. From here, on your inhale, lift arms overhead, grab your left wrist with your right hand, reach tall. Exhale, over to your right, gently pulling on the left wrist with the right hand. Side bending. Inhale to center. Switch the grip of your hands, right wrist grabbed by your left hand, and then over to the left. Gently pulling on the right wrist, pressing down through the right foot. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, chair pose, hands at the hips, sitting back into the heels. Lift through the chest. Hands meet at heart center. Twist the left elbow over to the right knee. Inhale back. Right elbow to left knee. Inhale back. Step the right foot back. Right elbow to the left knee. Inhale up. Right foot forward. Step the left foot back. Left elbow, right knee. Inhale back. Step it forward. Step the right foot back this time. Right elbow to left knee. Inhale back. Shift your weight forward, arms come wide. Plant your right hand down to the mat or a block or something. Right knee down, left hand to the left knee, twist it open to the left. Maybe lift the right knee off the floor. Lower the right knee. Untuck the toes. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, low lunge twist. Right elbow to left knee. Inhale back. Exhale, both hands to the floor. Lift your right knee off the mat. Rise to high lunge. Exhale, step the right foot forward. Hands to hips. Inhale, left leg back. Arms will come to heart center. Exhale, over to the right. Inhale, back through center. Exhale, left hand to the floor. Lower your left knee. Right hand to right knee. Twist it open. Maybe lifting the left knee off the floor if you'd like. Lower the left knee. Inhale, rise, low lunge. Exhale, plant your hands. Lift the left knee off the mat. Lift it up all the way. Arms overhead, high lunge. Exhale, step it forward, hands to hips, chair pose. Inhale, stand, arms overhead. Exhale, forward fold, hinging at the hips, knees bent is a good idea. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Sit down between your heels, bring your feet wide. Sitting down in between them as best you can. Try to keep the heels in contact with the floor or mat. Hands at heart center. Press your knees out away from you. Lift through the chest. And then bring the feet towards one another, rolling onto your back. Nice and slow. Press the heels into the ground. Knees are right over your heels. Press your triceps into the mat. Lift up with your hips, keeping the knees over the heels. And then exhale, lower. Inhale up, spread your belly. Exhale, lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one here. Inhale, breathe in, fill your belly. Exhale, lower. Hug your knees into your chest. And then start rolling forward and back. Up and down the spine, gently rolling. Try to find a curve in the back so you're not bumping around. You're just rolling up and down the spine to warm up. Breathing. Roll up maybe to standing. Press the feet into the floor. Arms will rise. Reach tall through the hands. Fingers up. Turn the palms out away from you. And then slowly reaching the fingers away from you, let your hands come towards the sides of your body. You're reaching wide with the fingers. You're reaching hands away from one another. Huge bicep stretch here. Take the palms facing behind you. Reach them up and back. Turn the palms down towards the floor. And then turn the palms up towards the ceiling, reaching the thumbs back. Up, overhead, reaching back with the thumbs, finding full range of motion in the shoulders, and then reaching forward with the hands, arms by your sides, hands meet at heart center, eyes come to a close. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. All right. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate your attention and your energy. Go on, do what you're going to do with your body. I promise you didn't need many props to do this, but you were probably rolling around on the grass or on something. Hopefully it wasn't too crazy, especially with the rolling on the spine. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Namaste.